Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way how to mark out your dovetails. All you need is your wood, a ruler, a square, a pencil, something to mark out your dovetails with. You can use something like this or a sliding gauge and something to mark the width of your wood. The first thing you want to do is you want to mark out your piece of wood. So this is going to be the front side of the draw and this is going to be the side of the draw. So I'm going to mark this as the front, this as the side. So this is the inside of my front and this is the inside of my side. Once we have marked the front and the side, we can put the side away and we're only going to focus on the front part. Everything you want to mark from the inside. So first we have to establish the width. There are two ways. If you have a marking gauge, you can use that one, but if you don't have a marking gauge, you can just put the front side flush and mark it at the back. But if you have the luxury of a marking gauge, you can use this one. So we just mark the inside like this. The next thing I have to do, I have to divide the width with an uneven number. Because if you look at a draw, in this case you have two tails. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces, and you have to divide it by an uneven number. In this case 5, but it's 7, 9, 11 and so on. So with this I'm going to divide the space into 7 equal parts, but the problem here is this board is 115 mil wide, and if I have to divide this by 7, it's going to be a pain in the ass. So an easy trick you can do is you flush the ruler on this edge and then you tilt it until you have a number which is easily divisible by the parts. So I want to have 7 parts. The easiest number to be divisible is 140. So I can mark every 2 centimeters, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 120. And now I have evenly spaced this width of the part without using math, just by tilting the ruler. What I can do now is I use my square, square it up. So, and with this easy method, I have divided this board in equal parts without using math, without using divider. Super easy, super fast. This is the best way to do it. So, and once you have done that, all you have to do is you have to mark which part is the tails. So this part is the tail, tail, tail. Then you use your sliding bevel, hold it flush, zack, 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 and zack. And now this is the easiest way to lay out your dovetails. Now you can cut it, and when you cut it, after that you can use that. This is the inside. You put it on top of here, and then you mark out from the part you cut to your next piece, and it's finished. Like, this is the fastest way, easiest way. I hope you learned something. Please drop a like.